Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play It's Only Love on guitar. We will start by identifying the 4 fundamental open chords you need. Then, we'll break down a simple strumming pattern that provides a solid foundation for the song. Finally, I'll guide you through practicing smooth and timely transitions between these chord shapes, ensuring a clear and consistent sound from the very beginning of your practice session. For the verse, you'll primarily use 4 common open chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. The progression typically follows a G, C, D, E minor sequence. A great strumming pattern to use is down, down, up, repeated for each chord. Practice this sequence slowly, ensuring each chord rings out clearly and your rhythm remains steady. Aim for about 60 beats per minute initially. Moving to the chorus, you'll find the chord progression is often quite similar to the verse, typically using G, C, D, and E minor. The bridge section, however, might introduce a new chord, such as a minor, to add a slight variation to the song's feel. Focus on maintaining your established strumming pattern and ensuring your chord changes are clean and in time with the music. Practice these sections separately before combining them. To truly master It's Only Love, begin your practice sessions slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, using a metronome to build accuracy. Focus on each section, verse, chorus, and bridge, individually until you feel comfortable. Once confident, try playing through the entire song, gradually increasing your speed. Finally, play along with the original recording to refine your timing and feel, aiming for a seamless performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.